Hello and welcome to the channel. I am the Coins Monster. What's up guys, how you all doing today? Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make an amazing buy and an amazing sell simply using two indicators. These two are my favorite indicators. It works for any type of trader, whether you're an investor, swing trader, day trader, scalper, it doesn't matter. They work absolutely amazing. Now first of all, I want to mention I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes. And the detail I'm giving you is completely free. I'm also a tutor, but I teach TA in depth. In depth. So you got the Elliott waves, you got the Fibonacci's, and how to read the wave counts, how to read the 7 wave counts inside the ABCs. It's a whole complicated structure. How to read 3 or 4 different types of indicators. Alright, but this info I want to give to retail people out there, retail investors who are getting absolutely shattered by the elites. So please watch this, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, comment, and share this video. So I can help a lot more people. Alright. Now, first off, I want you to open up the same chart, VRA USDT, on the weekly time frame. Second, click on the indicators tab, search for MA cross. And use this funny here underneath the technical section, the first one. Click on it. Now, go to settings and change the MA length. I think the standard default is 9 and 26. I want you to keep it at 20 and 50. Reason why I like this is because it points out your entries and your exits. It's that simple. I actually came across this a few days ago. But I back tested it and it works. It absolutely works. To keep it simple and make money without having to complicate your life is brilliant. Now here, I'm going to zoom in because I want to show you something. See, right now we can see across here, and then we see across here. Zoom in here. We can see across right here. Look at what happened next. It came down like crazy. So keep it simple. Use this indicator. Now, brief story. I actually came across VRA right here. I didn't know about this indicator beforehand, but actually I got pretty good entry using my TA skills. I got it here. I sold it right here in this area. Rebought VRA in here. No, I didn't catch the exact bottom. I didn't care. And then I resold here in this area. And I got out. And avoided the first 87% crash. Well, 84. And then the second 97% crash. It doesn't look like it, but it actually is pretty amazing how big of a crash this is. So it's 86% in total. When I got out, it was still at 79%. So same thing here. It's a total of 97% to the current price from its ADH, its all-time high. I saved myself a 95% drop, guys. My entries gave me a tremendous profit, which means a 3,000% gains. And then I rebought. I didn't catch the exact bottom, I don't care. So I sold it here, which means I actually made 3,777%. Multiply that by 449%. See, even if you cut the bottom here and just held it all the way to the top, it only made you about 8,000% gains. Let's say 10,000. Let's see if you got the exact bottom, say 10,000%. And that's it. If you use this 3,777%, you multiply that by 4.49%, 449%, it's 16,958%, okay? So you actually made almost 7,000% more by buying and selling 3 times rather than just keep holding it, okay? So get this indicator out, okay? Back test it. It works on multiple time frames, okay? Now I'm going to teach you first, before we jump into the multiple time frames, I'm going to teach you why I got out at this position, okay? Second indicator I want you to read is the RSI. Leaves here, relative strength index, first one underneath the technical section, okay? And keep the setting as basic, it doesn't matter, okay? Now I sold it here, well, because I saw bearish divergence, okay? I will show you why it was bearish divergence, but here, it was, well, the first sell, it was right here, okay? RSI was sitting at about 100. I got out, it was at 97, okay? But I got out because the price made a lower high and it failed to break above. So that was me, for me was key, and I got out, okay? And that's it. I rebought RSI. The price was at the bottom, the RSI was at the bottom, the market was looking good. I rebought on the third candle above the 50 moving average, which is a great support, and I let it go, okay? And I got out again. Now RSI, if it's too high, you sell, okay? Simple as that. It's very simple. Now if you don't know why you should sell, if you don't know if it's going to keep going up, well, you go onto the 3-day time frame, okay? Go onto the 3-day time frame. Look here, 3-day time frame. The MA cross pointed the buy cross for you right here, okay? The RSI was sitting above 50 level, which is bullish, okay? It's good. You can buy and you let it go. Now focus on this price action here. You have a high, drag it up, it makes a higher high, right? Look at the indicator on the RSI. High, slightly lower high, that is bearish divergence, okay? Which means RSI is actually indicating that the price is going to come down, okay? So you sell. It doesn't matter if you don't sell here, you don't sell here, and if you sell here, it's still an amazing sell, okay? Then be patient, be patient. It came down, okay? It really came down. And if that's not enough, it's not clear to you, it doesn't matter, you just wait a little bit more, okay? It's going to give you another bearish divergence, okay? Now in my tutoring, what I also do is show you key on the price action to show you how, for example, it's making like a descending channel, which is what my second clue that the price is going to come down, okay? So, but that's one of the day, right? Now you don't have to wait for a cross for it to tell you that you should sell. Okay, you simply use that indicator. The RSI is too bloody high. You've made a decent 5,000% gains. Take your profits and then you wait. Okay. Now, if it's unclear, you jump onto the daily time frame. Okay, jump onto the daily time frame, which will give you a clear-cut instruction. Look here. On the daily time frame, it also pointed across. Okay, the RSI was sitting above 50, a double bottom. Okay, and then you let it go. Now look here. It's a lot clearer to see on the daily time frame. We have a high to a higher high, and then another higher high right here. The indicator, high, lower high, lower high, it just kept going down, okay? And even the RSI just kind of gives you an early indication, because this is a descending channel, which means the price is going to break down from it. Look what happened. Okay, so keep it simple. Okay, that's how you enter in a good trade, and that's how you exit. Now, rebuy. I looked on the daily time frame. Okay, we had a bullish cross. Okay, it gave me the signal. Okay, I went to a higher time frame. Right here, 3-day chart, the RSI was bouncing off the lows. Okay, right here, it was still uptrend trajectory, so I bought it. Okay, I did not wait for the cross because it came too late, but I got a great entry using multiple time frames. Okay, now say focus on this little section right here, this one and this one. Okay, now this is low, this is a lower low. Okay, look at the indicator. This is a low, double bottom, which it failed. Okay, this is another low. Okay, but it's very, very close to being the same, but the price is too steep, which means it's a bullish divergence. Okay, so this is a 3-day time frame, which means it's going to be pretty damn strong. Okay, so look what it played out in the end. Okay, now again, you want to know why I got into this trade? Look at the weekly time frame. When I looked at the chart, I saw this. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, this is price action here is a low. This price action here is a higher low. But look at the indicator. Low, a lower low, which means the price action is indicating that it's going to go on an uptrend. Okay, that's bullish divergence. So this is why you enter a trade on bullish divergence. Moving averages are in order, giving you a buy signal. RSI is low, going above 50, going into an uptrend. You buy and you let it go. When it's too high, you sell on a bearish divergence. So it's the opposite. Okay, this is very simple, very, very simple. Now, if you're an investor, picture you missed this top, you missed this top, then you missed this top. Look at this action right here. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. The MA crossed bearish. Okay, the 20 crossed below the 50. Okay, which means the 50 moving average just became the resistance. Now look at this. You see a bearish cross, you exit your position on a high time frame. This is the weekly. Look at the price. What happened after that? Boom. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, bullish cross right here, you buy. Bearish cross, you sell. What's your percentage gain? 3,334%. Okay, if you did not sell, you're still holding. Picture this, it's down 97%. Okay, which means your actual gains are only 226% in 2.5 years. Okay, so guys, pay attention to the small details. You only need 2 indicators. Okay, and it's gonna make you a lot of money. Right? Don't follow Moon Boys. Don't go into the video searching for VRA price prediction and all that, unless they're very honest and they're gonna say it's gonna take a couple of years. Okay, because the macro environment does affect the markets. All right, so pay attention to the small details. And once again, guys, like this video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That's very important because I'm going to be releasing a lot more tutorials like this. Okay, and share the video with every single person that you can find, so they know that following Moon Boys crazy price predictions without TA base is not a good idea. Okay, and you can actually make money, and you can make 3 times, 4 times more money on the profits that you already made. Okay, following this simple strategy. Okay, buy here, you sell here. Okay, take that entire position, rebuy here, sell here. Simple. Okay, instead of compromising on time and hopium gains of 10,000%, make 16,000% using one simple strategy, and that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed.